I have been spending a lot of time putting comments on the images that you are sending to me, but I'm not sure that you know how to access those comments. So if you've submitted something and it's been unlocked, chances are there's a comment on that. Because I can't really give you face-to-face feedback, I wanted some way to give you feedback, and I'm really looking towards Mastery Learning. Since I'm not doing a lot of tests and quizzes for you guys, I want you to do the assignments well. So if it's unlocked, that means you need to fix it and resubmit it. So if you have something like this, you are going to want to basically click on it, and then you want to choose Open With. Now, you want to connect more apps. I'm looking, if you don't already have the Kami app downloaded, I would like you to add that. So it's Kami, and if you search that, you should get this. And it's going to add that. And then you should get this Annotate with Kami option. So the first time that you log in, you may have to set up an account. And I'm going to pause for this part. Okay, I'm skipping over the name part, but you should select your name. I just didn't want to show you whose account I'm using. And you're going to have to say that you're using it for school and that you are a student. Okay, and you can watch the tutorial, but I usually skip that. So what you're going to see is your document with comments. So there should be blue dots. What I'm finding, depending on the orientation that you use, sometimes you will have to go to this menu and rotate it. I am having some issues with when you rotate documents, the comments are not exactly lined up. So I'm going to try and do a better job of attaching a number so it's easier for you to cross-reference. But if you can't see something, you may have to modify it this way. And I also have some that come in that are huge, so you may have to actually minimize them so you can see everything that's on the screen. And I think that has more to do with the characteristics of the image and not really the Chromebook. So hopefully that will help you see the comments that I am trying to give you as you are turning in assignments. If it's on a Google Doc, I don't have as much flexibility as to telling you where it is in the object, so you will have to kind of look around on that whole page to see where that might match up with your comments. Again, I appreciate everybody who's working and turning things in, and please don't hesitate to contact me. Through email. I have Zoom sessions 4 times a day. Again, 10 a.m. is usually for Honors Chem. 11 a.m. is for Environmental. 12:30 is for Academic Chem, and 1:30 is for AP Chemistry. You can try to jump in on any of those time sessions, but whatever class is time slotted is, I will always prioritize students that are in that class to answer their questions first. So keep working. Miss you guys, and hope you are staying well.